In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix inventory not tracked on Shopify. When inventory is not being tracked, Shopify will not automatically reduce stock as orders come in. That can lead to overselling, confusing stock counts, or products that never show as low in stock. The fix is usually a simple setting inside the product's inventory section, and it only takes a moment to update. First, log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Products. This is where Shopify lists every item you sell, including drafts and active products. Next, find the product you want to fix and click directly on the product name to open its details page. You will now see the full product editor, with information like title, description, pricing, and shipping. Scroll down until you reach the inventory section. This area controls whether Shopify tracks stock levels and how your store behaves when quantities run low. If your product has variants, such as different sizes or colors, you will need to open the specific variant you want to update. Click on a variant to view its details, then continue in the inventory area for that variant. If your product does not have variants, you can stay on the main product page and adjust the inventory settings there. Now look for the checkbox labeled Track Quantity and make sure it is checked. This tells Shopify to monitor your available stock and automatically adjust the quantity when a customer places an order. There is also an optional setting called Continue Selling when out of stock. Enable this only if you want customers to be able to purchase even after inventory hits zero. This is useful for pre-orders or back-ordered items, but it can create delays if you are not prepared to fulfill those orders later. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. Saving is important because Shopify will not update your inventory tracking until the change is stored. After you save, it is a good idea to confirm that the inventory quantity is set correctly for that product or variant, especially if you recently imported items or changed fulfillment settings. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.